Good morning, traders. Welcome to followmetrades.com Real Traders Club live session on Tuesday, November 28th, 2023. And hope your morning is going well so far. Yeah, it's going good here. And the market is open. So let's see what we got going on. The Dow is down 0.01, 3 points, basically flat. NASDAQ down nearly 0.25%. Breaking news, billionaire-backed Coke Network endorses Nikki Haley for president. That's a big development. Haley is gaining steadily on Mr. DeSantis, both in a distant second place, if you're following the Republican primary. All right. The president says, stop the price gouging. Shine files for U.S. IPO. So pretty minor news, nothing major breaking, obviously. A little bit small headlines, small things going on. Good morning from Argentina. That's awesome. And Shiv, good morning to you. I think there was big news. Was it Argentina, right? Big news and a new president there. Kind of a dramatic shift, radical shift. I made the headlines. I don't know much about it. Sounds like you got a new president. Good luck. Hope that works out well. Let's see who's moving the market. Who's the big winners, the big losers. And I'm kind of waiting to see if Starlink does its typical few minutes after the hour fade on. So far, so good. Palo Alto Networks is up a little bit. WC Energy Group, nothing big, right? A couple percent. Micron getting hit. Solar Edge getting hit. Airbnb. There was a headline here on CNBC that Twilio, activist fund Anson takes Twilio stake. The goal here is to sell the company to somebody else. Twilio is a pretty interesting company. When we were doing text messaging for trade alerts, Twilio was the underlying technology we used. Ultimately backed away. It was just too inconsistent because the carriers are working so hard to block spam for you that often the stuff you want gets blocked, and then there's frustration. So we switched to the Telegram app, and that seems to be 100% reliable. Walter was a Twilio developer. Yeah, it's interesting technology. They're pretty big. The technology behind a lot of SMS messaging, which a lot of companies are using. It seems like the dentist and the medical office and all that stuff, now they text you reminders a lot of times, right? Hey, you got an appointment in a week, in a day, in an hour. What's going on the charts? S&P 500, the November rally really started, first day was here, which was the last day of October, and then pretty much shot straight up. We said, yeah, probably a pullback in the cards, even if end of the year rally is going to continue, at least get some kind of small pullback, and that is happening here in the short term. It's not dramatic. It's just kind of drifting down a bit. I would expect the rally to continue toward the end of the year unless anything dramatic happens. But of course, we will trade the realities of that. Gold, Barrick Gold. We took this trade last week, and it's doing good. It's solidly in profit. Up yesterday, up today, approaching the 200-day moving average. And I think we got a high probability of it going through that. I'll go look at the percent gain so far we've got and see if it makes sense to take some profit. We are going to move the stop up to here for sure, put us near the catbird seat. So that's a good trade so far. And I don't know, Shiv, do you remember offhand what the other gold symbol you had emailed me? I can go look it up unless you just remember offhand. IAG.
Yeah.
I am gold. And we were looking at this. We love the low price because when these low price ones move, the percent gain is astonishing. And it's got an uptrend, high, higher, low, high, just like the rest of gold. But it's got pretty hard resistance point at the 200-day moving average just on a technical basis. So, there may be multiple opportunities in the gold sector. So we'll keep an eye on that one. But we're in Barrick, and it's doing good. All right. And with that,